Hello friends and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment. Well, in this video we'll see, sometimes you might have observed that your mobile data is on but you are not able to find internet or use internet in your mobile phone. Well, let us see what are the probable solutions for this problem or this bug. So let us go to the mobile. Well, the first thing that we do, or most popularly done by many people, is going to the flight mode. Just switch on your flight mode on and wait for 30 seconds and then switch off your flight mode. It somewhat resets your network setting, and if by some bug or some kind of software glitch your mobile is not able to catch that network, this problem gets solved by doing this. So one more method, that is you have to go to the settings of this phone. Once you go to the settings, so here I'll go to systems. Once I go to systems, there is something called reset options. I'll press reset, and here you can see reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. I have to press this. So once I do that, all the network settings will be reset, and mostly all the problems lies here. If you reset this Wi-Fi, internet, mobile data, 90% chance is there that your problem will be solved. So go ahead and reset the settings. So one more thing, that is the last technique, is go to your settings and check whether your roaming is active or not. Sometimes what happens that your SIM might be of other state and you have not switched on your roaming and wonder why this network is or data you are not able to use. So here what you have to do is to go and check whether your roaming is switched on or not. So I go to my settings, Wi-Fi network, I go to my SIM. Once I go to my SIM, I choose the SIM, and after that I just check whether the roaming is switched on or not. You can find your roaming in your settings as well. Just find out from the phone manual or from internet how to reach your roaming this tab in your own model or brand of your phone. So I go back. So these are the three simple steps how you can solve your no network issues even if your data is on your mobile, provided that your network exists. If your tower doesn't have the network, like your Idea or Airtel SIM, if that doesn't have the network itself, then all these methods will fail. So I really do hope that by following one of these three methods, your problem of not having data, even if it shows network is available, will be solved. If it still doesn't, then you can go for your phone repair shop and find out if there is any hardware or software problems. So friends, I hope we have got some very good ideas how to solve this problem. If you found this video useful, please like this video and please share this across various platforms so that many people come to know of this tip on how to solve this problem of no network even if it shows your mobile data has network. And friends, please do subscribe to this channel Infotainment to get more of such little technical videos to make your digital life simpler and easier. So till our next video, keep watching Infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.